Like with any other business tool, outsourcing only works well when used the right way. Here are 5 mistakes to avoid when outsourcing. Number 1. Making rash decisions. Many variables can affect an outsourcing need, and no single BPO partner can provide a one-size-fits-all solution. So, it's important to look at the bigger picture first before outsourcing responsibilities. For instance, cheap services might come at the cost of quality or security. On the other hand, quality services might take longer to produce results or cost more than other providers. Number 2. Having no solid plan. An outsourcing firm can support daily operations with services like warehouse management, order fulfillment, and product support, but they will still rely on your guidance. Thus, it's vital to plan effectively. A solid outsourcing strategy helps ensure that both parties work toward the same goals and become proactive instead of reactive. Number 3. Setting unclear goals. BPO partners may be highly independent and flexible in their services, but they still need clear direction to produce results. That starts with goal setting. For example, a team averages 50 resolved tickets per day. Setting a monthly goal of 600 to 1,200 resolved tickets might be confusing, as the target is broad in scope and does not align with the team's capacity. Number 4. Being uncollaborative. Successful outsourcing is rooted in active partnerships. You should play an active role in managing the project. This can range from providing training on product knowledge to managing data accessed by your partner. However, proactiveness can also be restrictive if done wrong, giving your BPO partner no room to do their work effectively. Finding the right balance is critical. Number 5. Skipping due diligence. Outsourcing must not be treated differently from hiring in-house workers. You still need to verify their ability to perform their duties, their credentials, and their data security practices to protect your organization. Failing due diligence can have disastrous effects, ranging from low-quality work and inconsistent output to data breach and data loss. Outsourcing lets you work smarter, but it isn't effortless or foolproof. Fortunately, many pitfalls are easily solved with communication and preparedness. Ready to start your outsourcing journey? You need an ISO-certified BPO partner to ensure a successful project. Follow us to learn more or schedule a discovery call today. We'll be waiting.